Millions of cars are sold every year, but most eventually break down and become expensive to maintain. Why is Toyota different? We are diving into the engineering, the philosophy, and the obsession behind one of the most reliable automotive brands in history. From the legendary Corolla to the unstoppable Land Cruiser, Toyota's fleet is famous for defying the standard lifespan of a vehicle. Why do some Toyotas reach 1 million kilometers while others don't? It is a question of design, execution, and a very specific set of priorities. Some Toyota owners have crossed 300,000, 500,000, and even 1 million kilometers. Toyota has cemented its global reputation by building machines that simply refuse to quit. The Corolla, the Camry, and the Land Cruiser have become household names for long-term ownership. It isn't just marketing, it is a global reputation built on millions of individual experiences. With over 50 million sold, the Corolla is proof that simplicity can dominate the market. That trust is the reason Toyota remains a top choice for families and fleets around the globe. While others race to innovate, Toyota takes a different approach to technology. It is a choice between rushed innovation and proven, battle-tested engineering. What if being slow is actually Toyota's biggest competitive strength? While competitors chase the latest trends, Toyota focuses on validating every single component. It starts on the assembly line, where the focus is on precision and consistency. The Toyota production system is legendary for its efficiency. Kaizen, or continuous improvement, ensures that every day is slightly better than the last. That philosophy is what turns a good car into a masterpiece of reliability. Toyota doesn't just build cars, they torture test them until failure is impossible. What if Toyota tests their components longer than anyone else in the industry? From extreme heat in desert climates to brutal sub-zero Arctic conditions, no vehicle leaves the factory untested. They spend years perfecting parts, ensuring that what reaches you is virtually indestructible. Some models aren't just built for the driveway, they are built for the toughest corners of the earth. The reputation of these models is built on real-world survival. The Hilux and the Land Cruiser have become symbols of durability in the world's most remote locations. If it can survive a desert expedition, your daily commute becomes a breeze. But what about the long-term price tag of these engineering choices? The purchase price is only the beginning of your investment. Is the car with the lowest price tag actually the cheapest to own over a decade? With low maintenance, easy parts availability, and stellar resale value, Toyota often wins on the total cost of ownership. However, this obsession with reliability doesn't come without its own set of criticisms. Even the giant isn't immune to recalls, and some critics argue their technology adoption can feel slow. In an era of rapid digital updates, has Toyota become too conservative for its own good? It is a fair question for modern car buyers to ask. Would you choose a car that prioritizes lasting 20 years over having the latest infotainment screen? For millions of owners, the answer is a resounding yes. Ultimately, the secret isn't a single magical component or hidden feature. It is discipline, patience, and thousands of small decisions made correctly over decades. Reliability isn't an accident. It is engineered into every single bolt. Ultimately, Toyota proves that if you prioritize quality over trends, your reputation will speak for itself. If you enjoyed this deep dive, don't forget to like and subscribe for more automotive breakdowns. Thanks for watching.